Hello everyone. Thank you very much all those who have subscribed to Biama TV and have been watching our series of videos. Recently, you remember I brought to you how to plant plantain sucker. Yes, doing a home garden is very good, and I encourage every one of you to engage in home garden. It brings food to the family. It can also bring income. And today, I've seen something beautiful around, and I'm bringing to you. Somebody has nested tomato seedling, and it is wow, it is very beautiful the way it has germinated. You see this rectangular shape that you could see sheaths and plant and palm tree leaves around. Yes, inside is a tomato seedling. You see? So let's go around and see before we get inside. This is how the person did it. And this tomato seedling will be planted, some as a home gardening and some will move to farm, because the person intends doing tomato farming. So now let's get closer to the seedling that the person has nested. Let's get closer. Wow, very beautiful, very beautiful. It looks very fresh and it's growing very well. This is tomato seedling that has been nested. So let me tell you how the person did it. Sometimes you can get the seedling from agrochemical shop. Then you nest it. When you get it from agrochemical shop, you can just sprinkle it on the ground anywhere that you want to nest it. Then you can keep on watering it, provided you are in a season that it is not raining. Locally, you can also get your own tomato seedling and nest. For instance, when you go to the market and buy tomatoes, you have to buy the nice, the beautiful ones, the one that you see that it has grown well. Then you remove the seedling into water. Then when you remove it, you get a place that you want to nest it. Then you pour it there. Sometimes it is better to fence it like the way this one is done, so that fowls will not come and sprinkle it all over. Because they are always looking for food. Anything that they see, they want to get closer to it. So to avoid that, you can just fence it like the way this man has done it beautifully. Or in a small way, you can just put anything like stick or anything around it, just to fence it. So you see around, This is a home garden that the person has done. You see maize around. You see maize around. Very beautiful. As I told you earlier, it is good to do a home garden. It brings a lot of income to the family. It brings food to the family. So if you have a small place of land around your home, I would just advise that you use it for a home garden. Now I've seen a beautiful garden eggs around. Let's get closer and look at it. This is garden eggs. This is a local one. You see the flower, very beautiful. And it has grown very well because the soil is very fertile. Okay, so thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.